Hi, friends. I'm your girl, Coach Tiffany Hart. Welcome to another beginner's walking workout. This workout was fun. I went a little old school, put a little twist in it, a little cool jerk. You might not know about that. My mom taught me that. Speaking of my mom, I want to let you know that last time I checked, I had about maybe 10 views on my video. That was my mom. She's so sweet. She was working out with me. Love her. She is like my biggest supporter. And that is something, if I don't know if you're on a weight loss journey or just to be healthier, get some extra steps in, it is so helpful to have a supporter, somebody who can maybe walk with you or who supports you on you getting toward your goal. It's hard having those toxic friends who are like, hey, let's go get a drink, or oh, let's go eat some cake. You know, it's rough doing that. But if you don't have anyone to support you, no worries. Come here, work out with me. This is how I started on my journey to lose 80 pounds, just doing 15-minute workouts because I didn't want to work out. And this was so helpful, just being able to do something for 15 minutes. You got 15 minutes. Do it. Work out with me. And then when you want to level up, do more than one, do two of them together. It's up to you, but just get started. So all you have to do, if this is your first time joining me, no worries. Just do what I do or don't. If it just gets too crazy, whatever, walk in place, long as you're moving throughout the whole video. We're just going to do 40 seconds of the move, 20 seconds of walking in place. If you find that you need to fire it up, when I am walking in place, you jog in place. That'll really amp it up and get your steps up for the day. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and ring my bell. That way you get notified every time I put out a new video. Are you ready? Let's go.
Winterland, tell me all your secrets. Fill me in on your wildest moments. Colored trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing roofs, your painted red shakes the room. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. Winterland, you're my sailing ship. Guide me in when you head for your trip. Right out of this wicked black and into bright sand, straight toward the warm sun and into his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. Winterland, whisper in my ear, make my troubles all disappear. Way on this wicked black, I'll feel the soft sand right under the warm sun and in his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. When I get closer. Let me know when I get closer. Open up the sky for me. When you say I'll dig much deeper, I will shout. Let me know when I get closer. Open up the sky for me. When you say I'll dig much deeper, I will shout. Loud. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer.
finish the workout. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next workout.